basically on the daily time frame, we literally broke to the upside. We got a pullback, nice little retest of a huge support level, and basically I'm basically predicting that it's going to rise at least to the highs at 177, 186, and then around this area. And then basically if we break that area, it's going to go long term to 178, 340. Then after that, 179, 810 area. But we're looking for entries right now on the 4 hour. I'm thinking it's going to like maybe pull back on the 4 hour and then show us some buyers momentum over here around 174, 347 area. And if we get buyers momentum, we get enough confirmation to buy, we'll buy right here, and it'll be a long-term buy to those targets I talked about up here. But as of now, it's a pullback, it's bullish. I wouldn't be looking for sells on this pair. It's let's see, it's Tuesday 5/12, January 30th, and yeah, so that's the opportunity. You get what I'm saying, bro?
I get it. I see it.
Yeah, cool. So it's looking pretty clean. So we'll just see what we get. Sounds good.